In this video, you'll learn how to add and customize text blocks in Slickplan, perfect for headers, body copy, and other written content. From the block toolbar on the left, click the text block icon to add it to the bottom of the page, or drag it into place anywhere you want. You can rename the label in the top left corner to give the block context, like bio or intro. Each text block also has a quick toolbar at the top right for comments, duplication, settings, and delete. Click the settings icon to open the text block options. Choose between rich text for formatting or plain text for simple content. You can also set character or word limits, or apply an HTML wrapper like section, div, or H2. Click Save to apply changes. You can add as many text blocks as needed by clicking or dragging from the toolbar. For more information, please visit the support site. Thanks for watching.